Or maybe be nice to one team and awful to the other. You know.
No Canadians.
What? What, eh?
And,
It's gonna take a while, too.
Yeah.
So anyway, and then the other village will do the same. Regardless of whether they have the contraband, you can be hostile to everyone. Or hostile to no one.
Okay.
So, or hostile to one another.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Wait, so the patrol's trying to get the contract.
Yeah, the patrol's trying to get the
We don't know
contraband.
where it is.
So if both villages work together, can they just keep swapping it back and forth and keep the patrol going forever?
It's a good question. I have no
Dude, that'd be a workout for the patrol.
I'm down.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we'll try that if that works out. But you know, preferably one village has it. But I guess we could try it if we wanted.
Can we tell the patrol who has it? If it is for
Wow.
our village?
Seeing as Village is probably going to be... I actually have an idea for teams. I want to be on team with Nathaniel, Wilder, and Brian.
I'm
So-
okay with this.
If the four of us and you are the patrol, everybody else is Village. The villages will likely go together, and then it's them versus us.
Okay, well, the thing is, it's supposed to be like a little bit different from the usual wheel. But
You
anyway.
just want to shoot people.
I just want to shoot people. That's all I want to do. I'll have the maximum number of people
Well, too
against me.
bad. Okay, so
Ryan's gonna be that one platoon guy that just goes psycho and just kills everybody.
He's gonna be the
Full
guy
Metal
who.
Jacket?
He's gonna be the
What?
guy
Have
who
you seen Full
kills.
Metal Jacket?
Oh,
No, I don't think so.
I'm Animal Mother today.
so
it's a spirit animal.
anyway,
Yeah.
the game doesn't end when the patrol finds out who has it. The game ends when the patrol gets the contraband.
Do they just have to get hands on it, or do
Yeah, they just have to get hands on it.
What if we get hands on it? How can you back it up, the ouchie guy?
What?
I feel like then you'll get lit up as soon as you get close to it.
So, anyway, the goal of the village with the contraband is to hide the contraband and try and not let slip who has, or
The contraband.
not let slip where it is.
So you can
Patrol's
hide it,
job
you
is
don't
to
have to
figure
have it in possession.
Hmm?
You don't have to have it in possession.
You don't have to have it in possession.
Are there villages
who's
like
got
set up
shovel then?
specifically, or are there?
Yes, there's one village that's like through the woods right here, and then there's one that's you know the
They with the plywood?
yeah they're with the
Okay.
plywood. You'll see them. They're pretty well set up. So anyway, the whole key to this is it can
He's
go
gonna
either
take
really
that
good
though.
or
Doesn't
really
even know if
bad.
it fires.
Really scared no
The trick is though, you might not want to immediately make enemies with like everyone because
Then you're
the patrol. Well, yeah, then you're screwed because A, you're like really outnumbered, but the patrol is also the only guys with the medic. The patrol can the medic in the patrol can medic in whoever, like if they ally themselves to the village, they can medic people from the village. So
So wait, if you're shot as a village, what do you do? Go back to your village and respawn?
it's respawn, yeah.
And it was
I was gonna do some complex medic rules, but I guess we're gonna have to do that some other time because I kind of dropped the ball. I didn't make the cards for that.
Yeah.
Oh, dang it.
But
I was looking forward to gambling with other people's lives.
but
We can do that anyway.
Sure.
anyway.
A medic or not?
What?
I hold your life in my hands. I'm thinking I'm getting a thumbnail picture right now for YouTube.
Guys, get back up here. Ryan, stay back. We're gonna do 3 wide across the front, 2 in the back.
Ryan, I'll take your spot.
Right, Greg and Brian. You and Wilding. That way you still get a clear shot up the middle.
Fall back a little more.
Yeah, stay
Spread out
focused
wild, go
back.
10 feet front, do a diamond.
Pretty sure this is a pentagon. Right. He's going 10 feet in front of us. way we're not
Yep.
exposing our whole front line at once.
Copy that.
For a while.
Yeah, I got one right over there in the plywood.
Alright, eyes on.
Approaching the first village.
Copy that.
We'll hold the road right here. Fly up.
Alright.
The road.
I got 2 confirmed in plywood.
Roger that.
Guys, what happened to the theme music?
Yeah, just get into it.
Keep your hands away from any weapons. Everyone stand up. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien.
¿Quieres las drogas?
Sure.
You're American, my friend.
Yeah.
Well, no, the
good,
idea
that's
is
good.
you talk.
Alright, hey, you want to move your gun off the plywood quickly?
If we, sure you might. Can you get Ryan to be up here?
Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
You can keep
We're
searching.
starting.
I'm gonna pull security, you can keep searching.
Alright.
So, we're looking for something. It's a box. Do you have any information on that?
Files?
No
Is
box
it your
in yours.
porn
No
file?
box. How'd you know?
Yes.
We haven't had a box.
Well,
We had a shipment come.
hypothetically, one might keep things in boxes.
Alright, well, Ryan, I'm gonna help Nathaniel look around. You pull security. Nathaniel, you got anything? Nathaniel, I'm gonna move up here to these fallen trees. Negative! Alright. Got something? That ain't no water bottle, that's a WMD. George Bush told me so. Oh, ricochet. Ow.
So if you receive 50 coins stolen everywhere, we're just gonna wipe out the entire team.
Oh yeah.
Wipe out the entire village. Nice
Well,
to everyone to
we
wipe.
didn't find a box with hard drives in it, but we found Bush's WMD.
Oh, Bush's WMD. Who gives a shit?
IEDs.
No, it was the one George Bush was looking for. Who gives a shit?
Not wild. We found mines. Those are landmines. IEDs.
Oh. Well, supposedly this next village should be friendly according to them.
But we don't really have enough information to see if that's
Hey, Ryan. Same formation. Watch our six.
Because this time
Feel
we
like
can,
we're about to get
this
ass
time we
fucked
can
from
fully
behind.
spread out. This time we'll be able to fully spread out in the line.
Don't worry, boys. I'm watching the shit. That's a good thing.
I don't like how they're just all kind of lined up.
No, I don't want that.
It's making me nervous.